Guys, huwag nyo nang palampasin to. Bank foreclosed Thea model sa Lancaster New City for only 2.4 million. No bidding pa, basta walang kasabay. Mabilis maubos ang ganitong unit, so watch this. Welcome back! Today ipapakita ko sa inyo ang Thea Inner Lot model dito sa Lancaster New City, General Trias, Cavite. Isa sa pinakahinahanap na townhouse dito dahil may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at malaking car garage. Nakasya ang isang sasakyan. At ang maganda pa, bank foreclosed siya, kaya murang-mura kumpara sa brand new units. Location details, located inside Lancaster New City, isang complete community na may schools, transport hubs, malls, church, commercial areas, open spaces, and playgrounds. Kaya perfect talaga for starting families or even pang investment. Property details, lot area 63 square meter, floor area 60 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. As is where is, no bidding basta walang kasabay. At again, bank foreclosed kaya ang presyo niya super sulit. Selling price 2,400,000, 20% down payment, 480,000, 80% bank home loan, 1,920,000. Estimated monthly amortization for 20 years, 16 to 17,000 per month, depende sa bank rate. Required gross monthly income, 55,000 to 60,000. Pwede combined income, mag-asawa or co-borrower. Important reminders, bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. As is where is ang turnover. First come, first serve, no bidding. Kung naghahanap ka ng townhouse na may 3 bedrooms, plus 2 toilet and bath, plus garahe sa ilalim ng 2.5 million, ito na talaga ang sagot. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now para ma-schedule namin agad ang viewing kasi ganitong unit mabilis talaga mawala. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!